Welcome to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to download files from a data storage bucket. If you want to review how to create or upload to a data storage bucket, follow the links in the upper right hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To download files from a bucket, head on over to Storage under the Service section of the main menu, select the bucket, and click on the file. It's not immediately clear, but clicking on the file will flip the icon on your right from Upload to Download. So hit that button, click the link, and the file will be downloaded to your browser. If you want to switch back to Uploads, just click on the name of the bucket here to reload the page. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our help site, our support page, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.